What you are witnessing in this technical footage is not merely a high-speed comparison between two performance sedans. It is the ground zero of a fundamental and irreversible shift in the global high-performance electric vehicle sector. On one side, we have the Tesla Model 3 Performance, the vehicle that single-handedly disrupted the century-old automotive status quo. It forced legacy manufacturers to admit that a mass-produced electric car could possess a visceral soul, a superior power-to-weight ratio, and a vertically integrated software stack that remains the industry's gold standard for efficiency. However, the industry has moved past its infancy. On the opposite side stands the Zeekr 007 GT, Geely's strategic high-performance weapon. This is not a copycat product. It is a calculated effort to aggressively push the boundaries of electrical engineering into the 800-volt stratosphere. When the 007 GT clocks a 2.84 second 0 to 60 mph, it is executing a forensic validation of a high-voltage architecture that operates at half the current for the same power output as a Tesla. This is the cornerstone of its superiority. Lower current translates to a logarithmic reduction in heat soak through the cabling and connectors, allowing for thinner, lighter high-voltage wiring and a torque delivery curve that refuses to plateau, even as the motors reach a peak rotational velocity exceeding 21,000 RPM. Tesla created the chessboard, but Zeekr has introduced silicon carbide components that effectively force the laws of physics to serve the driver's intent. To understand how the Zeekr 007 GT maintains its unrelenting, brutal performance during repeated high-stress launches without triggering immediate thermal derating or limp mode, we must look at the silicon sovereign hidden deep within the chassis. The silicon carbide SiC inverter. The vast majority of current-generation electric vehicles still rely on traditional silicon-based insulated gate bipolar transistors, IGBTs. These legacy components possess an intrinsic electrical resistance that generates massive amounts of parasitic heat during high-power switching events. Silicon carbide, however, is a wide-bandgap semiconductor. Its unique atomic structure allows for an electric field breakdown strength that is 10 times higher than that of conventional silicon. This advanced material property allows the 007 GT's inverter to operate at significantly higher switching frequencies, often exceeding 20 kHz, with energy switching losses reduced by up to 70%. In practical engineering terms, during a maximum effort launch, the electrical energy that would typically be wasted heating up the inverter's internal heat sinks is instead directed with surgical precision to the permanent magnet synchronous motors. This SiC technology allows the entire power management system to operate with a much higher power density, drastically reducing the physical footprint of the electronic components. This is undoubtedly the most technically dense component of this vehicle's architecture, the Golden Battery V2. For years, a limited narrative persisted. Lithium iron phosphate, LFP, chemistry was merely a budget solution, due to its lower energy density and sluggish ion movement. Zeekr's engineering team has discarded that narrative. Through a fundamental innovation in the sandwich, pack structure, and the implementation of proprietary ultra-low viscosity electrolytes, they have achieved a staggering 5.5 C charging rate. From a forensic perspective, we are talking about a kinetic movement of lithium ions between the anode and cathode that is so rapid that the pack can absorb enough energy for 500 kilometers in a mere 10.5 minutes. This was achieved by optimizing the electrode nanotechnology, specifically utilizing a multi-layer gradient electrode design that minimizes internal impedance and enhances ion diffusion pathways. This effectively eliminates the catastrophic voltage sag, the drop in discharge performance that occurs when the battery reaches a low state of charge. In the 007 GT, you experience the same violent, instantaneous torque punch whether you are at 90% or 10% state of charge. This challenges everything we thought we knew about traditional chemical degradation. The electric motors in the Zeekr 007 GT are masterpieces of electromagnetic engineering. To achieve the 0 to 60 mph times that challenge supercars, Geely utilized high-performance permanent magnet synchronous motors PMSM with hairpin winding technology. This increases the copper fill factor within the motor slots, allowing for higher current density and better thermal dissipation. But the real challenge in high-speed EVs is back electromotive force, back EMF. As the motor spins faster, it generates an internal voltage that opposes the incoming current, typically causing torque to fall off at high speeds. Zeekr's engineers implemented advanced field weakening control algorithms within the Psi-C inverter. By precisely manipulating the magnetic flux of the stator, they effectively neutralize the back EMF, allowing the motors to continue accelerating hard well past 150 km/h. This is why the 007 GT doesn't just launch hard. It pulls relentlessly toward its top speed, a characteristic usually reserved for multi-speed transmission EVs like the Porsche Taycan, but achieved here through pure electronic manipulation. Observe the Zeekr 007 GT's behavior during the high-speed drift sequences. In a traditional vehicle, you would rely on heavy mechanical limited slip differentials, LSD, or brake-based torque vectoring that bites the inner wheel to force rotation, wasting kinetic energy as heat through friction. In the 007 GT, the laws of motion are manipulated in real time by the VMC, Vehicle Motion Control System. Because electric motors offer near instantaneous response times, the software can induce negative torque regenerative braking on the inner wheel and an explosive positive torque on the outer wheel in mere microseconds. This creates a yaw moment that literally rotates the 2-ton mass of the car around its own central vertical axis, defying the inherent laziness of a heavy chassis. It is the death of hydraulics in lateral dynamics management. The VMC system monitors steering angle, yaw rate, and lateral g-force at a high frequency of 1000 Hz. This ensures the car carves through the apex as if it were on magnetic rails. There is no energy loss through brake pad friction. There is only pure magnetic flux manipulation. The result is an executive sedan that hides its significant mass with the agility of a track-focused cart, proving that mechanical grip is now a subservient slave to the computational algorithm. High-performance engineering in the 007 GT is a complex equation governed by 3 critical variables: power, traction, and aerodynamic management. Once you exceed 100 mph, aerodynamics stops being a theoretical discussion about range and becomes a critical matter of mechanical survival. The 007 GT utilizes a fully sealed, aerodynamic flat underbody equipped with rear vortex generators that accelerate airflow toward the aggressive rear diffuser. This creates a powerful Venturi effect, generating real, measurable downforce that sucks the car against the tarmac without the need for massive, drag-inducing rear wings. Simultaneously, the active thermal management system employs motorized flaps in the front intake to direct cool air precisely to the inverter and motor radiators only when thermal sensors detect a specific threshold. This laminar flow management is meticulously calculated using CFD to prevent air turbulence zones within the wheel arches, a chronic issue in performance sedans that causes front-end lift. In the 007 GT, air is treated as a strategic tool for both cooling and high-speed stability. Managing the heat of an 800-volt system during a track session is a nightmare of thermodynamics. The Zeekr 007 GT uses an advanced intelligent thermal management system (ITMS). Unlike traditional systems that cool components in series, the 007 GT features a parallel liquid cooling manifold. This allows the system to send chilled coolant directly to the battery, the Psi-C power modules, and the motor stators simultaneously. The heat exchanger is integrated with the vehicle's heat pump system, allowing it to scavenge waste heat from the motors to warm the battery in cold weather, or conversely, to dump massive amounts of heat through a high-performance radiator during a hot lap. By maintaining a uniform temperature across all cells, within a 2°C margin, Zeekr prevents the weakest link, cell from limiting the entire pack's output. This thermal equilibrium is the only reason a car with an LFP battery can perform consistently under the kind of abuse that typically destroys the performance profile of a standard EV. Fusing LiDAR with real-time physics. We conclude with the central brain, the digital chassis. Equipped with the NVIDIA Orin X dual chips and a high-definition, roof-mounted LiDAR sensor, the Zeekr 007 GT possesses what we call predictive terrain vision. The vehicle doesn't merely react to bumps. It maps the road surface several meters ahead of the tire's physical contact point. Through the electromagnetic adaptive suspension, the car adjusts the damping rate of the shocks before the tire even impacts the irregularity. When integrated with the steer-by-wire system, which completely eliminates the direct physical steering column in favor of high-speed digital signals, the 007 GT delivers a level of precision that pure mechanics could never achieve. This allows for real-time variable steering ratios, ultra-quick in the corners, yet rock-solid on the straights. It is the ultimate realization of the software-defined vehicle, where Tesla paved the way with the UI, and Zeekr is now expanding that into the very physical, kinetic dynamics of the chassis. The 007 GT is a forensic homage to the vision of a digital future, executed with a hardware depth that raises the bar for the entire global automotive industry.